I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Hi guys, I am DJI Mini and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going for a solo adventure. I'm here at Iligan City. Actually, this is just steps away from the house of my mommy. And yeah, I've been wanting to go to this place ever since I've been here since last week, but the weather was not good. But actually currently the weather isn't that great, no, but good thing it already brightened. The day already started to be bright na, no, so muna siya atong-atuan today. We're going to Tinago Falls Sanctuary at Tinago Falls. So another entrance fee na 30 pesos, a life jacket na 30 pesos. So it's just gonna be a few minutes walk, but if you are not from around here, so I think you can, there's two options to go here at Tinago. One is to go to via Buruon, and the other one is via Linamon. And before, I've been to Tinago. Actually, this is not my first time, but before I took the Linamon route. So, and I wasn't commuting that time because my family went there and took their car, and then there's a established stairs and center there. So this is my first time to be going to the going here at the Ditokalan Iligan route. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen, so don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share. Peace and love. Let's go. So this is the road. Literally the house is just there, and then you just go around that. Mommy said that I can just like pass by there, but it's dangerous because there could be like snakes. Well, Mommy didn't know that I hike and trek, no, with a lot of animals, unknown species around Cebu, at around the world, around the Philippines. So let's go. Why am I speaking English? I guess to give a wider audience. Let's go. Alright, may entrance nila tayo, so ating muna na siya. So this is it. I think this is where we will stay. Welcome to Tinago Falls.
Sir, Tinago Falls, sir.
Ha? Agad eh?
Yan, may kasawar yan. Mag-isa lang kayo, sir?
Ha? So I paid 60 pesos. This is for entrance, environmental fee, a life jacket. Naku na yung orientation. So may oriental eh.
Maayong hapon, Cebu City. Mabuhay. Welcome to Tinago Falls. Ang atong Tinago Falls na siya gihabugon ni 240 feet ug doon siya gilawmon nga 90 feet. Ang atong Tinago Falls na nakitahagdan nga naugon, syempre uni ato kani sa kaon 355 steps. Kung bation uni nato ang kakapoy, kaluya ug pagpanglupok, kinahanglan sa natong mupahulay ug mo relax sa. Doon na kitay balsa dito pwede kita mo sakay sa tong balsa tabok sa tong tubig nga nagagas apan doon na kini bayad. Dito lang kita makagsabot sa mga tawo nga mobila niini. Ang atong Tinago Falls gidala kini sa Iligan City, nahimo kaning boundary dito sa Linamon del Norte. Doon na kitay guide nga mugya kaninyo dito sa ubos. Siya ang magbitbit sa itong mga gamit, magbantay sa itong mga gamit, kaya baka man doon mawala sa itong mga gamit. Samtang kita ga-enjoy sa pagpangaligo, wala kitay mapangitaan. Siya usab ang maghipos o mag-segregate sa itong basura, tungod kay dili pwede nga maglabay kita sa itong basura bisan asa dito sa ubos, tungod kay doon na kinimulta. Sikin sa katong masakpan, makita niya maglabay sa iyang basura sa ubos, pag sa kanya, magbayad siya. Labaw sa tanan, siya usab ang magbitbit sa itong life gas panaog pasaka diri, tungod kay kung basa na kini, bugat na kini. Ang atong guide dili trabaho, hindi sa lamang siya kabulontaryo, o syempre doon na usab siya bayad. nga 200 pesos kada usa ka guide. Kung nindot yang serbisyo da kanimo, pwede nimo kining dugangan. Ang kita gikan kanimo ya kani magamit sa pampalit og bugas, panudan sa matag adlaw sa iyang pamilya kay sigon sa kung gisulti dili siya trabahante. Ug mas nindot sad kung makatabang kita. Maayong hapon, Cebu City. Once again, mabuhay. Welcome to Tinago Falls. Okay, Cebu. Ang imong dahilan ma'am siya, o siya, ikaw ang mag-atiman niya dito, sir. Ila-ilahang imong guide. Siya ang mag-atiman mo dito, sir.
Liling ni Ma'am, Ader.
Liling.
Ikaw rin isa, sir.
Ako na.
Tara, magandang bag mo, sir.
Ano, okay na? Gaan naman ganyan akong bag. Salamat. So, anto na we are going now to Tinago Falls. I'm all alone. Let's go.
Ay, mag-vlog lang.
Tiles. Naka-tiles. Sugaw na ko dati. Bustin ko. Pas-pas kasi natin baka downhill. Kurog na kong tuwit din. Morning. Hiking sa una. Kakapoy. Wow, look at that. Tinago Falls. OMG. Yeah, saan ako palupad ng drone dire? Yung mura magkalambasa kayo dire. We're now here at Tinago Falls. Oh, iba yung tubig ron.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many.
Gusto kayo hangin sa libo kayo. Listen kayo idol. Mag-picture na. Ha? Ha? DJ Estrada. CJ. C. C. Yeah, J. Estrada. Yeah, your subscribers.
Hello! Please like and subscribe! DJ Estrada! Sir, kami sponsor kay 300.
Oh.
Kamu na magsabot sir, kung kilay iwan kay ilang ma'am.
Wala mo ito. Dari lagi.
Ay, sa ilang ka ba? Dapat dito ka sir, pero makuha yung pool sir.
Ah, dire ko.
Talikod sir, talikod. Yan.
Okay. Lagi. Wala na dito. Hello. Salamat.
Mga ganda at mga gwapo sa Tinago. Ayan na, pa. Buha lahat.
Ito yung pangalan? Yeah, June, you're in the vlog. Hi guys, sumuli ako. Nakataron sa ilahang taas kayo nga hagdanan. Good luck sa exciting part. Ito also ano eh. Hina na tayo? Hina lang ta?
Okay na.
So kamo guys, muari og Tinago Falls. Si andam daro nyo ha mga bagtak. Og tuhod kay mong kat-kat mo na oh. Mo naman di ba?
O, kanina. Naman mo ka.
Ari pa Tinago. I survived the 355 steps. Naman na yun. Look at the vlog. Hi guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So motor rin yung andam mo no. Pag-andam mo 60 pesos para sa entrance fee. That includes already the life jacket. And then you have to pay 200 pesos for the guide. And then for the raft kay 300 pesos daw kada trip. So nagsabay lang ko. Hi, shout out to ninyo Ja and June. So if you find this video, share. Like and share. So mo to siya total kay kaya ba 60 200 so 560. So that's what you will have to prepare when you go here at Iligan Falls. And also ang ato ang habal-habal from the crossing sa Buruon, that's going up here is 70 pesos daw, and then going down it's 80 pesos since it's a special trip. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and please be a responsible traveler. Leave no trace, take nothing but pictures, do nothing but time, leave nothing but footprints, and share peace and love.